Hello, my name is Andrew Stokes. Welcome to Metro2 TKO. My partner, Lamont Ravel, is not on this video, but you'll definitely be seeing him in future videos and future training sessions. So we're going to make a series of videos that correspond to the particular section in the software that you're using at that time, so you don't have to navigate through an hour and a half video explaining the whole system to you, forcing you to rewind and go back and forth. We want you to have easy access to this training information. All right. So the first thing we're going to do is tell you how to actually get to the system to log in. Go to m2tko.com/login. If you don't have an account, you simply click here to register. You put all your information in. And let me just take you there. If you don't have an account, put all this information in, create your login details and register now, and it'll take you directly into the system. If you already have an account, you're going to enter that information here, your username, your password, and it'll take you straight to your dashboard the same way it would do if you were just now registering an account for the first time. Once you register your account, you'll see a navigation menu here on the left side, which we'll be going through in detail on subsequent videos or future videos. And if you look up here at the top, you'll see a blue box where we highlight any upcoming updates, any information that you need to do as a software, or any information that you need as a software user. Uses this information are recent updates that we've done, or different questions that people's answered, or any issues that we have in the software, any ongoing issues or new issues that we have in the software that we're correcting. We'll actually notify everybody in this blue box. So it's important to read this every time you log in. Right below that, you're going to see click here to see package info. I'm not going to go over any detail, but this gives you information about the different packages that we have, how much they cost, what you get with each package. Again, I'll go over that in detail later. I just want you to know where, one of the places that you can access that information. If we have, we use this software, you can use different type credit monitoring agency reports, such as MyScoreIQ, Identity IQ, MyFreeScoreNow, just to name a few. If there are special uploading instructions, you'll see that information right here, all about, in this instance, MyFreeScoreNow importing. It's basically will give you an Excel, not an Excel spreadsheet, but a Word document or a PDF telling you how to actually import that type of report. But we'll also have a video showing you that as well. So you'll be able to access that information in more than one place. Over here, you're going to see today's date, and there will be another date that's populated here depending on your subscription level and how many GAs you have left. And that date will actually show you, when you start purchasing your GAs, it'll actually show you how long those generations are good for, the date you bought it, and the expiration date of those GAs or credits. I'm definitely going to do a video about the PWA because that needs to be explained in detail. Right now, this video is just about the information on your dashboard. Here, you'll see your name, the email you registered with, and if you already have a subscription and if you already have credits or generations to use, you'll see that number here. You won't be able to purchase GAs unless you have a subscription plan. So I'm going to go to the subscription plan, and then I'll come back to purchasing GAs. Once you click on here to take you to our different subscriptions that you can purchase, we'll definitely go over these in more detail And in some future videos, we'll probably tell you, or we will tell you, probably where you should be starting at as far as these packages are concerned, based on your individual particular situation. Okay. We have individual users that use the software, but we also have credit repair organizations that use the software. So their packages might be a little bit different from the one that you need, but we'll definitely explain that in detail. Um, the client portal. If you are a credit repair organization or you're helping family members do their credit, you can actually copy this link, send it to them. They can register themselves and automatically populate inside the system for you, so you can actually start working on their credit. If you need to get a copy of your credit report, this link will take you to our preferred um, reporting agency to for you to get your credit report. All right, so simply click on here, and it'll walk you through the steps that you need to get your report. And we'll be showing you in future videos, once you get your report, how to actually upload it in the system. All right. So that's the dashboard. That's logging into the software. That's the dashboard. That's some of the general information that's on the dashboard. I forgot to mention the account number, but the account number is over here to your right. And we'll see you in the next video.